The industry needed to find a way for development and operation to collaborate closer together and improve the speed at which we build, test, deploy, and get feedback. So this is where development meets operation, hence the term DevOps. Hello, my name is Juby, co-founder at Yellowtail, where we help people with no IT background get their first high-paying IT job. So today I want to talk about what's DevOps anyway. DevOps is just the process of merging development and operations in an IT environment. That's it. One of the problems we've had in the past is the lack of synergy between the development and the operations team. Before, the development team would only be focused on building applications and features, and once ready, they would deliver the code to the operations team to deploy and manage. This was very inefficient, and most of the time it would take months to implement. So updates and feedback would take much longer to happen, and that's the traditional way. Now, given the speed at which features and updates need to be pushed to production, the industry needed to find a way for development and operation to collaborate closer together and improve the speed at which we build, test, deploy, and get feedback. So this is where development meets operation, hence the term DevOps. This new way of collaborating requires a few things though. First, it requires a new mindset. Now both the development and the operation team are working very closely together, share responsibilities, and learn how to align their interests. DevOps also requires new skill set. You need to have some level of project management skills. The development team also need to understand more about the underlying infrastructure processes, and the operations team needs to better understand code delivery processes. Also, in a DevOps environment, new tools are essential. Configuration management tools, for example. This enables changes and deployments to be faster, repeatable, scalable, and predictable. Automation tools, because DevOps rely heavily on automated processes. And version control tools, which help teams efficiently collaborate, manage, and track document changes. And most importantly, DevOps requires the willingness to work in a fast-paced environment. Because nowadays, applications need to hit the market in a matter of days, not months. So if you are ready to start a new career in an exciting and agile environment, check us out at yellowtail.tech, see what we're about, look around. If it looks like a good fit, schedule a career strategy session with our team and let's talk about it. And of course, if you got any value out of this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this one.